Hello kids, Christina Danish from St. John's High School is here for teaching you a lesson Village and City Life for class 2. And I hope you all are enjoying your online classes. So let's start. Students, what is a village? A village is a community made up of a small number of houses, usually in a country area. A village is smaller than a town or a city. Village is a peaceful place. Now come to the life in a village. Students, usually people in village live in houses made of bricks, clay or mud. These typically have 2 or 3 rooms, as you can see in this picture. Dear children, a canal is a man-made waterway. Canals are also used to transport water for irrigation and other human uses. Now come to the occupations or work in a village. So number 1 is farming. Children, agriculture is the main occupation in village. Most of the people work on farms. Mostly village people eat fresh fruits and vegetables because everybody cultivates its own. Carpenters make chairs, tables, wooden beds and carts for the farmers. And a carpenter must have a lot of tools. Now, what does a blacksmith do? Blacksmiths shape and join metals to make items such as iron gates, furnitures, tools. This is achieved by heating metals. Then bend and cut the metal into shape before it cools again. Shoemakers. Students, in the village, shoes are handcrafted by master shoemakers. Okay? The school we find in village areas do not provide higher education. There are mostly primary schools. Electricity. The total village population in the country still without electricity. Some areas of village have this facility. Here I am going to tell you that what things are very common in village. So number 1 is fresh air. It helps clear your lungs and improve your digestive system. Then, pure cow milk. It improves your health and helps in growing. It is good for all age groups. And we can get other products like butter, ghee, yogurt and so on. Calm environment. There is a complete calm and free environment. Go anywhere you want, enjoy the beauty of village. Okay, now wells. The wells also provide clean water. Its water is filtered naturally so that drinkers get all of the health benefits. Students, by fetching water from the well, it gives you good physical exercise too. Crops in the fields. It is a very large green area, as you can see, and it provides food. Now look at here. Livestock. It helps providing nutrition food and increase family income. Ponds. Children, Ponds are a good for plantation. Nearby, it provides drinking water for animals and source of good environment in hot weather. So it's all about life in village. Now come to the life in city. Let's start. Okay, what is the city? A city is a place where many people live closely together. City life has many benefits. Cities bring together a great variety of people from different backgrounds. They offer more jobs, more schools, and more kinds of activities. Now, houses in the city. Some people live in small houses, some live in flats in a 5 stories buildings, and some people live in their bungalows. Places in the city. Number 1, park and museums are airy place to improve our physical and mental health. Often people visit these parks in the evening with their families. Then hospitals in city. Cities also provide sufficient medical facilities. Almost in every city there are good hospitals in which the poor gets medicines and treatment. Okay, schools and colleges in the city. The schools and colleges in the city offers values based education. They not only learn academic skills but also learn many other life skills. Sport grounds. In city, the huge sport grounds are available in the city. Airport in the city. Pakistan largest international and domestic airport located in Karachi. It is named after Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of Pakistan. Traffic roads and flyovers. The higher number of flyovers and underpasses are located in city Karachi. Factories. There are various industries in the city as well. Industries provide different goods in the markets, for example, textile, cement, biscuits, and so on. Here are some differences between village and city life. So number 1 is a group of houses in a country which is smaller than a town or a city is called village. Other than in city is a large and important town. Then village have small houses and cities have big buildings. Most of the people work in fields. Cities have offices. They have few hospitals and schools. Cities have colleges and universities. The people of village have a very simple life. Cities have big markets. Cities have big hospitals. Most of the people work in offices. So these are the difference between village and the city life. Now it's your home task. Question number 1 is, what is a village? Number 2, write any 5 famous names of occupations of the village. Number 3, make a list of things which are very important and famous in village. Number 4, write any 5 names of cities in Pakistan. Number 5, write any 3 differences between village and city life. It's a note for students. You are requested to do your homework or activity in your social science copy. When you resume your classes, marks will be given on the basis of homework or activities you have done in your copies. Okay? At the last, stay home and be safe. God bless you all. Thank you.